Earlier this year, I was looking for a place to build courses really easy. And not only that, I was also looking for something that was really good for like the Linktree page where all of your social media audiences kind of is the first website you go to. And I came across the Stan.Store and I decided to take it for a ride, and I've really enjoyed kind of using this tool, and I want to share today with you what this is, why I chose it, and show you some of the features and maybe something you could use in your business. Now, Stan.Store is really an all-in-one creator store. So, whatever you're creating on, whether it's on, TikTok or Instagram or X or what have you, this is a place where you can send people to purchase digital assets and digital products from you. So everything from, one-on-one coaching sessions that you can charge for, to free downloadable lead magnets, to full courses that you can build on the Stan platform and build out for yourself and sell them directly. So Stan connects with Stripe, for your payment processor for actually processing those things. And it also integrates with, Google. So you can have your calendar if you're doing coaching sessions, and it can link right up with that, and a lot of other great features. So today I want to just go through it with you, show you what I've built so far using the Stan.Store and how I'm using it. And so if we look on the right side of the screen, this is my Stan.Store here. So this is my core URL. You can see up here, this is actually, customized, and I've got my Start and Grow brand on here. Just like a social media profile, you kind of put your name and a little bio on here, and you can link out to your other social networks. But here's where it gets interesting. You can add all these products or these, links below your profile. So right here, we've got my Substack starter course. Here I link off to my newsletter, which is on Substack. And then I've got another newsletter that's focused on affiliate marketing, also on Substack. So again, just linking out to those assets and those newsletters. Another interesting thing here is where you can actually, provide a lead magnet. So here I offer out my free content creation system. People provide their name and email. They submit and they can download that system right away. This can be a whole bunch of things, but I'll show on the back end what this looks like. And then you can book a one-on-one call with me, which is really just for those discovery calls or private coaching sessions to help you set up your tech or just, work through where you're at in your business. So again, those are the core things I offer, and I use this Stan.Store. So going over to, this also works on the web. So if you look here, for example, this is what it shows up on just desktop. I've just shrunk the browser on this side to give you the mobile view, which a lot of people tend to be using. But again, it renders really good on desktop and very powerful, simple, easy to understand. Again, easy clicks to find exactly what your customer's looking for. So going into the Stan.Store, when you first set this up, you kind of land, on your homepage here, and there's a couple of, very simple links to understand. So my store, which we'll go to soon, income is really just kind of like seeing what's coming in. I haven't earned anything on this platform. Like I said, I just got started at the end of January on this. So we're just kind of getting things set up and building it out, to see how it works. Analytics, again, gives you similar to the screen you're seeing here, where you can actually just look through, what you're generating, if you're getting leads into, your little lead generation tool here. And then you see, it's just basic stats of where my customer's coming from and then where do they go. So a lot of my visitors so far have been going to check out the Substack Starter OS, which is this product here. So no sales yet, but at least we're seeing traffic go there. Gives me a chance to tweak it up a bit. So let's actually go look at the store and see, how this is reflected in the back end. So what you see here is all of these products in an edit mode. Gives you a nice view as well here of the actual site, what it's going to look like. So as you build things, there's just a really quick instant feedback where you can see, what's working, how does it look for my visitor, and it's great. It really makes it easy to dial things in to get at what you want. So if we look at, we'll start with one of these here, the Join the Start and Grow newsletter. Because this is on Substack, it's a simple, URL redirect. And so you can add an image. I added a Substack image here. Here's where you can add your call to action and a bit of your information and a button to go. So very simple to create this. It makes it pretty easy to make it happen. So that's what I got for this particular product. We published that out, and that lands like you see here. Same thing I did for the affiliate marketing mastery, the get my free content. So this is the lead magnet one. Very similar. Again, you create a nice thumbnail, you add your text and your subtitle, which is a call to action, and then you can collect information. I just got name and email, but you can add, SMS if you want to market that way. And then the simple thing, if you go up here, you can deliver that product. So here's the PDF of that system, allows them to download it. And here's the experience you see of them receiving that product. There's other options like email flows that you can add to this. So if you want to follow up, and then a confirmation email as well, which you can customize to, thank them for downloading this, redirect them to maybe the newsletter. I'm going to tweak this a little bit more to make those confirmation emails, hit a little bit better. So again, built right in, the emails, all that stuff is really helpful. We just got knocked out there. So here we go. Again, going back to the store, we can also see the book one-on-one call with me. So here, this is pretty interesting where you can, just set up a call. People can call you and you can charge for that so that they pay, and then it gets actually booked into your calendar. So again, you can write a quick description. You can, they've got some default images, but you can set up your own here. And whatever you want, you can put your own, and then it allows you to choose your dates, which is super powerful. You don't have to use Calendly or some other outside tool to do this, and it links in with your Google, so you can actually have those that information booked into your actual calendar. You can also set up all your availability. So when do you want to be available for people to book you? Again, I set this up in the mornings. That's when I like to do these kind of calls. Very simple configuration, and off you go. You've got now, a call and book a one-on-one with me. Build your Stan.Store. This is again just affiliate product that you can actually also earn from Stan.Store. So if people actually sign up, you can earn a commission. So it helps pay for your Stan.Store subscription. And so I've got the Substack Starter OS is the first course I've built on here. So again, very similar to other products. You kind of have to set up a title and subtitle, button, all that stuff for your first kind of touch point on that product. Then there's the checkout page where you actually can write, your full offer of like, what is this? What am I going to get out of this? Who's this for? That provides, all the, the sales letter that you're using to convert people to purchase your product. And then they can literally purchase directly, right on that page. When they purchase, they're then brought into a course. And so for my system here, I've got a 4-week program that helps people get started on Substack. And again, you can see I built all of these into a 4-week program, different modules with different lessons. And again, you can always preview the course, right in the browser here as you're building it out. So very simple way of, getting your course built and put in front of your audience. So a lot more to it, but that's kind of the core store. Again, as you kind of use this product, this platform more and more, you can get into more custom email flows. So again, driving, people that are maybe coming in and purchasing a product and you want to send drip emails, or maybe they downloaded a free lead magnet. And again, you want to drip those emails. So I haven't upgraded to Creator Pro, but that's next on my list as I start to grow this out. But that's, the main kind of features of a Stan.Store. There's a couple other things here, like the appointments I talked about. You can help get the tool to help you manage your appointments, referrals. There's even auto DMs with Instagram if you're big on Instagram. So there's some integrations that allow you to kind of automate and systemize some of your process. So that's pretty much the Stan.Store. If you're interested in trying it out, there's a link below where you can get a free trial. If you have questions, leave a comment below. I'm going to report back as I kind of use this and start to get customers through this system. I'm going to add some new products as well. So subscribe. to the newsletter, and you can follow along. And thanks for watching. And again, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.